Hello viewers. Well, it's taken a little while, but yeah, out on a ride, first ride for 2026, and it's mid-March already. So yeah, been doing a few things around the home, getting things organised, getting some work done, me doing some work. So today's ride is just in a bit of familiar area, just travelling along Allen River Road at the moment. Going to head up to Masseys Road.
Okay, it's Masseys Creek Road. I don't know why I can't get it right in this video, so my sincere apology.
Turn onto it. It's a gravel road. So done a bit of tar this morning, but it was really cloudy when I left home and got through Gresford, and yeah, the clouds have started to dissipate, but the scenery up here is fantastic up in the mountains. So only 22 degrees at the moment, although we are coming obviously into autumn, so one would expect the temperatures to start dropping a little bit. Yeah, this Allen River Road obviously just meanders around. A little bit like the river, really. Number of bridge crossings. Alrighty, we'll keep travelling. Only a relatively short ride today. Alrighty, just got onto Masseys Creek Road on the gravel at last. This goes up into the up in the mountains and onto Boonabilla Road. It's about 10 kilometres on this stretch. Quite a few farm homesteads along the way, so the road's yeah, usually in pretty good nick. Some areas a little bit slippery with you know, heaps of gravel, but usually a pretty good run. Got the sun on me back, keeping me warm. As I said, it's only around that 22 degrees. But just down in the valley at the moment, obviously heading up higher altitude. As we go along, the scenery is just great.
Yeah, well, I've just stopped here along Boonabilla Road, taking a bit of a break. Actually saw an opportunity to put the drone up, and yeah, it's been not much traffic on the road, which is really good. Only seen a farmer in his ute and another farmer on his motorbike. So I did see a couple of trail bikes a bit earlier on, some KTMs. That was down on Masseys Creek Road. So yeah, people are definitely out and about. But no, I just saw this view over here, and yeah, just down through the gully and that, and thought, yeah, what an opportunity to put the drone up. So hope you enjoy. Cheers. Yeah, well, there's certainly views all around. Just as you pop out from out into the trees, coming down into the valley. Bit of a breeze starting to get up now. I think they did predict that, but only probably up to about 25 kilometres an hour. It's amazing where you find these farm homesteads tucked away on all this property in the middle of national parks. We have had a little bit of rain in the last couple of days, but yeah, as I was saying, we did have a few days of rain. Finished up last night. Thought the area might have been a little bit more damp than it is. I'm glad it's not, because sections are greasy. But the countryside's certainly green. Cows will be well fed and very happy. Not too far and we find the other side of the property. And another gate, of course. Well, nothing like a bit of exercise hopping on and off the bike. The advantages of riding with other people. You get to share those things. Okay. So the bridge is out. I've done those gates and I found out where I can't go any further. Alright, it is turn around and go back.
Yeah, well, I'm heading back down Boonabilla Road south, heading towards Lostock Dam. I'll go this way, bit of a round trip, so to speak. But yeah, just camera probably doesn't do it any justice as far as the mountains in the background as we head down. Been up around about 700 metres, and yeah, we'll just make our way down gradually to Lostock Dam and past there into Gresford. Alrighty, just coming to the end of Boonabilla Road. Going to turn onto Patterson Road, and as I say, head back to Lostock Dam, and yeah, he just called in for the sake of saying, yep, called into Lostock Dam. Doesn't take long. Alright, a few more kilometres to go yet, down the hill. Alrighty, as I said, Lostock Dam. Sort of can't go past, don't know why. I won't be stopping, and I'll just go for a run along the dam wall. Here, people out fishing, chasing the bass. Some out for a picnic. Alrighty. Turn around and back out of here. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Only a short trip, familiar ground. Just thought I'd put something together for the first video of the 2026, seeing as it's March already. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.